everyone, this is Bonnie from Tech. Today I'm going to introduce our fully automatic rimping and insertion machine. This is our double-side rimping and single-side housing insertion. This is a finished product. This is the crimp force monitor and the CCD inspection device to make sure the crimp effort is all good, and the vibration feeding plate. Housing will go through the vibration. This is a finished product, double-side frame and double-layer housing insertion. Also can make longer and short ones. English touch screen. At this page, you can choose the colors of your wire. After setting, we press Start. If you need more information about this machine, welcome to contact us. Bye-bye.